Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. Today I just finished a quick get ready with me using the new Westman Atelier Suprême Bio-Complex Liquid Foundation. I don't have much time to film this. I'm just kind of putting this together. I want to get an upload on Friday. It's been so crazy. Today is Friday, so I'm hoping to get this up for today. This is the new hot foundation everyone's talking about online. At least in my baby algorithm. I think this is a beautiful foundation. I did this quick look, and if you're interested in checking out what I did to get here, I used a lot of my Westman Atelier. This is mostly Westman Atelier. So if you wanna check that out, then please enjoy the show. Today I wanna do Westman Atelier. I don't have a lot of time, and I'm gonna go get my nails done. And I wanna go before the kids get out, and I wanna do a full face of makeup with Westman Atelier. It's been sitting here. It's been a rough day. It's been a rough day. And I just want to put some makeup on. This is my skin prep from earlier this morning. I'm not going to add anything. I've been really liking this foundation. I just kind of want to see what it does today. I also have my Westman Atelier brushes, and not the new one that was just released, but I do have like 3 Westman Atelier brushes. So this is a full face of Westman Atelier. Well, not quite a full, just what I have. I did 2 pumps because I feel like 1 pump's not enough. We'll see. It looks like it absorbed a lot of that. Yeah, I've been loving this. I have the shade M1, by the way. Atelier M1. I have been liking this a lot. I've worn it like 3 or 4 times now. It's really pretty. Leaves a really pretty finish on the skin. Damon came home from Puerto Rico last night, and his father met him at the airport. So my father-in-law is now in town for about a month. So yeah, yesterday was a very long day. I was cleaning, doing laundry, doing all the things. I don't think I jumped in the shower around like 11:30. It was really late. And then I didn't get to sleep until like super late. But anyway, let's use this for contour. I'm gonna try to get this video up today at some point. I'm just not quite sure if I'll be able to. Today is Friday, and I just don't know if I'll get to it, but I'm gonna try. I like to post in the morning, but it didn't happen. Way too much going on. Yesterday we had our first dance meeting. I'm really looking forward to this season of dance. I think the team is like in such a positive place. We've had some changes. Quite a few people left our dance team. I just feel like there just feels like a fresh energy. It feels really good, and I'm really looking forward to what this season's gonna bring. So hopefully all the drama is gone and we can just have fun with the kids and make beautiful memories. That's kind of what I want to do going forward. Yeah, but I kind of want to, I've been wanting to do like a full face. And I did do this yesterday, but I wanted to do a full face here with you of what I have from Westman Atelier. What else do I have? So I have the contour. I don't have a concealer. I don't enjoy the Westman Atelier concealer. I tried it out a couple times. It wasn't for me. This is the Sarah Creo Face Flex 1.5. And I'm grabbing this one because on my live we were talking about this. We're talking about this, so I was like, oh, let me use it today. I do have a little, I don't know if this is a concealer brush, but the shape is a concealer brush. This is the Westman Atelier Baby Blender. This is the Baby Blender. It is quite baby. Let's get that blended in. Oh yeah, that kind of brightened right up. Let's set this concealer with my very favorite pressed powder. I actually really love this. This is the Westman Atelier in Baby Pink. I know I've talked about this on my channel. I do think I'm gonna have to get another one at the next sale. I'm just trying to be quick. Just want to do a quick face of makeup with you friends. I need to feel better. It's been a really rough day. Really rough. I'm struggling bussing today. I cannot lie to you. All right, what else do I have? Westman Atelier in here I want to use. I love these blushes. Which one's my favorite? I have 4 of these. 3 I have right here with me. Let's use this blush. This is the blush Fizz. I like this blush. This is a Baby Cheeks blush in Fizz. I think this is limited edition shade or only available on her website. I'm not quite sure. I'm just gonna use the same as my contour brush. Nice bright pink. This is a pretty color. I've been using a lot. I've been keeping this in my bathroom and using it in the morning just to kind of add a pop of color to my face. I love the baby cheek blushes. I do really like them. I love the packaging of Westman Atelier. I love this packaging. It's just so sleek and beautiful. But I hate the packaging for the lipsticks, the lip products, because they don't like stick together. I don't know. It's really annoying because they repel each other, you know? So it's hard to store them. Like even in here, I feel like they're fighting each other. Anyway, let's go back in with the duo. Let's do the duo. I like this. I think because we're just trying to do a simple face of makeup. This is the Westman Atelier powder. It says powder. We're going in with Petal and Biscuit. I like this. I do love these duos. They're really beautiful. I like Westman Atelier. I was actually, for this video, for doing a full face, I was like, oh, let me go and see if I have anything I can add to my collection. I'm like, I'm not. Westman is so expensive. I'm like, I'm not just going to add something for a video. Not today. Look how pretty. Oh, I want to use this too. I've just started using this a lot. This is the Lead Up Stick in Perla. I used this the other day. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty. I'm just gonna go in with this brush and just kind of, what did I use this with? I was using it with, I was messing around with this Ilia stick I got. And this is nice, but it leaves a very matte finish, almost like too matte. Like there was like literally, I felt like no dimension on my face. And then I added this and I kept it really simple. Oh, I remember now, because when I went to get my hair done, I had like no makeup on. So I was playing around with this and then I put this and it was just pretty. It just kind of gives you a nice glow. This is Parla, P-A-R-L-A, Parla, in the Westman Atelier Light Up Stick. When I've been watching content of people using this foundation, like you can visibly see like the blurring in the skin, like on everybody I've seen. I'm like, wow, it's nice. I don't have eyeshadows of Westman Atelier, so we're gonna use Mustang. I think I'm just gonna do like a little one and done. Simple today, that's for sure. We need to keep it simple. So this is the Chantecaille Single Shadow in Mustang. I just wanna, yeah, that's actually perfect for today. Then we're gonna go in with, I do have this eyeliner, I'm gonna sharpen it. This is the Westman Atelier eyeliner. I love eye pencil kohl liner in black. I rarely use a black eyeliner, but we're gonna use this today. Just kind of go like that. Like I said, I'm just trying to throw together a quick look. I want to go run and get my nails done and kind of relax. Just kind of make it smoky, blendy. And just kind of blend it out. Makeup always makes me feel better. It really does. I didn't really have time because first thing this morning I had to get the kids out the door, and then right away we started with some craziness at work. So, but normally I like to get up, get dressed, throw a face of makeup on, and then start work. But today that wasn't happening. Okay, I do have a Westman Atelier sample of mascara. I did use this yesterday for the first time by itself. This is the I Want You mascara. I did not use the primer, so I do want to try it with the primer. This is the Clinique Lash Building Primer, so we're gonna do that first. And I just want to see how this is with the primer. So I did it without primer. I did not like this yesterday. It's like too natural. I don't know. I think it's shade black shade. This was just, it's just like a little bit too natural, but it fits the Westman Atelier aesthetic, you know. It's very natural. I mean, it leaves your lashes pretty, don't get me wrong, but it's just like built up nothing. Like it had zero extra volume. I feel like it almost like erases the lashes. It's weird. I'm like, where did my eyelashes go? They're there. Can you see? It is pretty, but it's very natural. But it combs them and separates them nicely. I don't even know if I see any lengthening, really. Yeah, what do you think? Have you used this mascara? Let me know. This is definitely not a favorite. But it's cool that I have the little sample to add it to the video for a full face of a Westman Atelier. Fancy makeup. My mirror is so far away. I gotta fix. I have on my mind that I want to redo this whole office setup, especially now that I've been working more, and I don't know, but I'm like, I have to wait to see what happens in Puerto Rico and get that place in order. But I started like looking at things. I think I'm gonna move this dresser back into the guest room and then try to do like a setup. I don't know, maybe keep my makeup stuff in there and then leave in the guest room and then make this, I don't know, storage, I don't know. But I like it in the back like this. I like having my makeup room, but I really need to start making this like an office too. And then the kids have their computer in here too, so I don't know. And we have a TV, we watch TV in here. This tiny little space actually gets a lot of activity and has a lot of uses. All right, what's next? Oh, lips, I have lips. I don't have a lip liner, but I do have the lipsticks. Bronzer color, what color do I like? Okay, let's do this color. I like this color. This is the shade Dash. This might have been a limited edition, I'm not sure. The same beautiful packaging. Look at that. That just like bumped up the whole face of makeup. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I feel ready to go. I feel put together. I kind of don't want to overdo it. I'm trying to think if I have anything else Westman Atelier. I don't think so. I mean, you know, I've used the drops a million times on this channel. These are like my favorite drop type product. I don't use these enough, so I'm glad I pulled it out. I love how my skin's looking. I do feel like I need bronzer on my skin a little bit. I had the powder bronzers, but I decluttered them. Let's use Truffle. We're gonna use this brush. I'm gonna go with Truffle in the Duo. Just kind of add a little more color to my face. And this is the shade Tool. This is the Tool and Truffle. I think these are contour duos. Yeah, that's pretty. Done. Full face of Westman Atelier. I love Westman Atelier. Thanks again, friends, for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a quicker one. Hopefully I can edit it together quick and you enjoy this mostly full face of Westman Atelier we came up with. And I gotta run, so we'll see you in the next one. Bye.